Hello, hi everyone. I am Kinshuk Tandon, your English and Hindi educator, again coming here to take to you in the world of literature. Here I am Kinshuk Tandon to tell you about English literature and Hindi literature, and it is a demo lecture from me and your loving teacher. Today I am going to start the introduction to your subject and glimpse about your first Hindi chapter एक अठन्नी बात एक अठन्नी की. So be ready for this. Today's date is the 23rd of May 2026. Okay. Now we will write a beautiful poem. Feel noble, be motivated. What a lovely poem. Noble, be motivated. Today's topics to be covered are topics to be covered. Today's topics to be covered are see. Number one, introduction. Introduction to your मैं माफी चाहता हूँ मेरी राइटिंग अच्छी नहीं है. English and Hindi. For class 9 and 10. Number second, glimpse about your first Hindi chapter. So we will study about the introduction to our subject English and Hindi, and we will also study glimpse about our first Hindi chapter, which is Baat Athanni Ki. Now we can start our chance. Please vote for that. It is a recorded session. Our first session, which is recorded. In our orientation, I have told you that we will be having a bunch of recorded sessions, and then we will be having a live. Then we will begin a live session from then only. After your summer vacation or after your summer vacation 5 days later, we will be in our live session. Your summer vacation will start from, I think, 2 or 3 June. I will tell. Okay? So please note it. I am giving you 2 minutes. Then I will rub this. Okay. Noted here. Now see from what approach we will follow. See, this is your Julius Caesar, and this is your treasure chest notebook, which will be starting in 9th, and it is continued till 10th also. These notebooks, these books, see textbooks. Okay, and then these are Sahitya Sagar and Ekanki Sanchar. These will be our 9 to 10 textbooks of Hindi, and these are of English. So first we will talk about Hindi portion, which is our Sahitya Sagar and Ekanki Sanchar portion. In this, you open our first page, that is Anukramanika. In this, we have 2 sections. In Hindi, we have 2 sections. See, Hindi is divided into 2 sections. Any problem? It is divided into 2 sections. Which is Sagar, which is poems, and what we say like kahaniyan. We say stories. It is English class. English. English. English class. Hindi and English both. And another one is Ekanki Sanchar. In this, we will be having Ekankis. We will study about drama, acts. It is about acts. A एकांकी संचय संचय एकांकी संचय Hindi, our Hindi is divided into two sections, which is Sahit Sagar, poems and stories, which consists of poems and stories, and Ekanki Sanchaya, which consists of our act portion. In this, we are having, in poems, we are having in Padya Bhag, we are having 10 chapters, and in the stories, we are having 10 chapters. In both, we are having 10 chapters. So, total of this will be 20 chapters all for. In Sahit Sagar, we are having 20 chapters, poems 10 chapters, stories 10 chapters, and in Ekanki Sanchaya, we are having 6 chapters, 6 acts. 6 acts we are having. Okay. So, total we will do, so total we have the 26 on Hindi chapters. On Hindi chapters. On Hindi chapters. Please note it down so I can get it. Please note that the sessions which will be started, means which will be, in which chapters will be started, will be conducted from tomorrow. Today the Hindi chapter glimpse will be given to you. So the Hindi बात करने की chapter will be only continued from tomorrow, which is whose लेखक is, उनके लेखक का नाम सुदर्शन जी है, और वो एक महान वास्तविक बहुत ही अच्छे और होनहार राइटर, 10. Yes. Now we will talk about the English portion, which is literature English portion. I am not uh, willing to taught you English language because of uh, the big portion is there of English literature. So I will teach you only English literature. English language will be, if you will comment me, please teach us English language. So I will not, because the portion of English literature is very heavy. In this only the full October November will be there to teach this and Hindi. So only I will teach English literature portion, not language. Okay. Now we will see a huge turnover of English which we have not seen yet, from 8 to 9, and with children who are coming from uh, 8 to 9, they will see a huge turnover in English means English literature portion, which I am going to teach you. Okay, see it nicely, because if you are not seeing it, so I cannot teach you in a better way. Okay, I will give you a smooth content that you will be means memorizing it in the class only. Like that I will teach you. So, in the treasure chest course, which is treasure chest, treasure chest. In this, there are two sections. Poems and short stories. So poems, in poems also there are two divisions. It will be a heavy, means it is a heavy portion, so our ICSE board has given you a leniency that half of the portion of content you will study in class 9 and half you will study in class 10. So one notebook only you have to study. Like this, it is in Hindi also. Okay. So total of means total poems are means see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 poems are there. In 9th class, we will study 5 poems, and in our 10th class, we will study 5 poems. And short stories also, this is there in 9th and in 10th. How many? Tell it. 5. In this also 10 are there. Here also 5. Here also 5. So about 20 poems, about 20 of whole treasure chest syllabus you have to study. Okay. And in Julius Caesar's Shakespeare portion, William Shakespeare, entire William Shakespeare. In this also we have our ICSE portion. Our ICSE board has divided this into 2 sections.